कोंकण रेल्वे महामंडळान बिगर तिकीट प्रवास करपी प्रवाशां आड मोहीम राबोवपाक सुरवात केल्या। फाटल्या वर्साच्या डिसेंबर म्हयन्यात बिगर तिकीट प्रवास करपी वट्ट 6,675 प्रवाशी मेळ्ळे। प्रत्येकाक दंड म्हूण वट्ट प्रवाशां कडल्यान 1,95,64,926 रुपया वसूल केले, अशी माहिती कोंकण रेल्वेचे उपसरवेवस्थापक बबन घाटके हांणी दिल्या।
Konkan Railway has been continuously conducting intensive ticket checking drives at the stations as well as on the trains. As a result of this, in the month of December 23, a total of 6,675 unauthorized irregular travelers were detected without tickets, and they were penalized. A total of 1,95,64,926 rupees was recovered towards penalty. If you see the last quarter of the 23, that is from October, November, December, in 3 months, totally 18,466 unauthorized irregular travelers were detected and they were penalized. A total penalty of 5,60,99,017 rupees was recovered from them. Konkan Railway appealed to its esteemed passengers to undertake their journey on a proper valid journey ticket, or at all if they are visiting the station they should have a valid platform ticket. So I request all the esteemed passengers to buy the genuine tickets and avoid inconvenience.